Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an Aliexpress haul. I have not ordered from them in a hot minute, and I'm having like a problem with their website. Every time I log in, the minute I go to press orders, I have to log in again. And then when it shows the list of orders and say I want to click on it and see like all the details, it makes me log in again. I'm like, dude, I can't do this. I don't know what's going on. Got some goodies. So the first thing I got, let me try to... Both Wendy and Meliza shared this cow dye, and I'm already forgetting which company it was from, maybe Spellbinders, but anyway, it was some type of subscription for a previous month. It was already past that month and it was sold out. So if you signed up for the subscription, you were going to get the following months. So not this one. So this was sold out, and it was so cute. So basically it's like a cup, straw, it's got a layering cookie or a layering Oreo. Here's words, this one. So it's like just fun milk carton. So it has like a little fun little cow. It says, "You got this, you're the milk to my cookie." It has like the little cow print everywhere. Better days ahead, spilled milk to cry over, and then it has the matching die. And then this one, I just got the stamp, not the die, because these ones, you can kind of just fussy cut these guys. It says, "Our friendship is legendary. It's your birthday, milk it." So cute. A stencil for the moo-moos. And then besides the cup, they also have the carton. It has a little lid. You can do an open carton or a closed carton. Super cute. It says something, moo something. But yeah. Okay. Next, I got this because I was on. So basically, when I find something like this, I look at to see how much the shipping is, and it'll say free shipping over $32, free shipping over $15, and so forth. So this one I think was $35. So I was like, let me add $35 worth of stuff, and then I think I just found other stuff as well. So basically, this is a die right here, and it's a newspaper set. So it's this little newspaper, and it says breaking news, today's news, hot off the press, make a wish, you're the best, happy birthday, thank you so much, today is all about you, special edition. And it has the matching dies for the words, and then also the little book, or not even a book, a newspaper, like a flapping newspaper. Next, I got this one. This is super cute. It's like a scale, a cookie jar, little measuring tape, or not measuring tape, measuring cups and spoons. And this is a nice, like, decent size. They're not like micro small. Next, I got this one and this like champagne one I absolutely wanted, but the kit was like, that came with all of these was $125. I was like, oh my gosh, no. So I only wanted two. I wanted the hand one. I think there was a monster, there was something else, but this is a popping bottle of champagne. It is just so cute. And then the cup, you could do like this one says happy birthday, and then you could do like a cup of beer, like a mug, like a Homer Simpson style mug. So Duff beer. So those are those guys. And then next I got, this is just like a paintbrush set. This says dies, stamps, little brushes, glues, paint palette. And I don't have a lot of crafty things, so I was like, let me get some of those. This one has more of like sewing stuff, like the little yarn, the basket that holds the yarn, glue gun, spray bottle, all the things. And then next is this one. This is a cute little like swirly banner thing you layer up, and then here's the pull part, and it says like best day or best day ever, and you can layer them up. And same with these guys, you can layer on top of each other. Super cute. Next is this one. This is those like, the little things that you twist the teeth and they go, I can't even talk. I'm pretty sure that's what these stamps are for. I don't know. Best wishes. I'm auto to call you friend. Happy birthday. Oh, no. These are car ones. Oh, okay, so I got a car set, and it's called Cruising By to Say, and then it's happy birthday, have a classic day, have a wheelie great day. So anything like a car person. So I got that in the matching little die for this guy. And then the teeth came with like words, but I'm like, are these supposed to be dentures and not like those it's a wind up toy. But I think they're insinuating like dentures as in old, because the stamps for it was, how can we be the same age as old people? How old are we telling people you are now? It's not gray hair, it's sparkle coming from your soul escaping. So it's like all old people. I hear old people like getting cards. So it's like old people stuff. So I'm assuming there's, I don't know, the teeth are supposed to be old, like dentures. I don't know. But these two supposedly go together. Next is this one. Look at the little hand mixer, the little heart cut out, the little whisk. Super cute. And it's such a good size. And then I got this one. I have a million apron dies, but I had to get another one. So it's this apron with love, the little mittens, has polka dots, super cute. Next is this one. It's like a cute little piping thing, and then spoons, layering spoons, a little spatula and stuff. Very cute. Next is this one. I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. So that's this one right here. I saw Wendy Glued with Love share some of her traveling journal, and it had a Labubu. Obviously, the Labubu doesn't come with this, I don't think, but it had a little cute hanging bear and like cherries and stuff. It's like a purse charm or something. So I can't wait to play with that and see how that turns out. So yeah, lots of cute. Oh, these ones are stamps for something, but it's baking theme. Whisking you a great birthday. Just roll with it. You stir are fabulous. Batter late than never. Sorry for the mix-up. You're my batter half. You count not calories. So just cute little puns of baking style stuff. Yeah, I think that's all the dies, but it's a lot of cute goodies, and I'm excited to get my hands on them. And then this shop sent like little freebies that looks like a poinsettia, and oh, weird, that's like a wood, like do not enter style corner piece. I don't know what that piece looks like, a koi fish or something. But yeah, all right, I'll catch you guys in the next crafty video.